Hello everyone, today we are going to be swatching out the Royal Talens Ecoline brush pens. I started this series because I am kind of a pen hoarder, so I decided that I would show you guys the colors that I have so you can decide if there's a particular color that you want to have. If there's other pens that you'd like to see me swatch out, then let me know down below in the comments, and make sure you check out my other videos from the swatch series too, because they might already be there. I'm using the plug and place swatch system, which allows me to swatch my colors and move them around as needed if I get more colors, so you can see how that looks in the end and how I store them all in one binder. I also have a full review of the Ecoline Royal Talens brush pens, so if you are interested in that, I will link that for you. So this is how it looks when it's all cut out, and there's Velcro pieces that you attach to the back so you can move them around. Here's my binder of all my swatches, and if you are interested in a plug and play system, I will link my affiliate code down below, so feel free to use that and save some money on this plug and play system. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if there's any other markers you'd like me to swatch out, and I'd be happy to look into that.